I have been somewhat amused at how radical the name of our ministry strikes some people's ears. Reasonable faith. They think that's an oxymoron, where for me, it's just second nature. It's just given that faith and reason, or logic and faith, go hand in glove with each other. So I think that the Christian faith is a supremely rational faith. I think sometimes Christians are guilty of overemphasizing the mysteriousness of certain doctrines like the Trinity or the two natures of Christ. I think that we can give models of those doctrines that are fully consistent logically and therefore plausibly true. And moreover, the arguments of reason can be used to support the truths of the Christian faith that are taught in Scripture, such as the existence of God. So I rest very comfortably intellectually in the Christian faith. I don't see any good objections to it, and I see lots of good reasons to think that it's true.